Good morning, sir.
एक
Morning,
और भी
morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So class, as you know that from today we are starting our online classes and the timetable is same, right? And I hope that you remembered all the things which we use in Zoom app. You can handle it as you was doing, right? So students, first of all, raise up your hand and tell me that you can hear me clearly. If you can hear me, raise your hand. Okay, so student, first of all, I would like to clear your some doubts. The first doubt is that what about the holiday homework? So we have given you holiday homework and I'm not very sure that how can we check those work and about your notebooks, we can't say anything because till 31st July, schools can't be open for you and you will study online from 1st July to 31st July, I think. And during this month, you will have to face your Unit 1 test. So your Unit 1 test will be held. So you have to practice a lot. So we are going to start our revision class of mathematics because our syllabus was completed and I hope that you remembered everything which I taught you in the class. So I think there are some new students there may be some student new in our Zoom class. So if you have any question, you can ask me any doubt, any question in group chat, right? So use group chat option to talk me. If you want to ask any question, you can send me the question in chat, okay, chat box. Now we are starting our revision class. So student, in today's module, we will learn about Indian place value chart, and how to write in words and how to write in figure, and about face value or place value. And in the last, we will learn about expanded form. So student, today we will discuss about these topics and we will get the revision of these topics. But before this, I would like to talk to you. Student, maximum parents are going for their job, and most of the student can't take the mobile phone. They can't attend a Zoom class. That's why we are going to record these online sessions, right? So your online classes will be recorded and these classes will be available in your WhatsApp group. So we will record this class on our Zoom app, and then we will send you this class in your WhatsApp group. So if some students are in your contact and they are saying that their parents are going for job and they can't handle the mobile phone, they can't take the phone, so they don't have phone to attend the class. So our classes will be available on your WhatsApp group, okay? So you can access your WhatsApp group video and you can learn from that, okay? And I have some questions. Sir, your video is not opening. Astha Yadav, your video is not opening. Beta Astha, video will be start and we will send you link in the WhatsApp group, okay? Watch those video and I hope that those video will be helpful for you. Next, Khushi Saini. Sir, I do all the holiday homework. Very good, beta. I hope that all of you have done your holiday homework. So I will tell you later that how we will check your notebooks. Sir, please send me the work of regular maths. Beta, I did not solve any question of your regular math, so I can't send you work. Okay, so you can contact your any classmate and ask from them that they can send you the holiday homework and you can complete your work. Sir, my video is not opening. Asta, which kind of video you are talking, beta? On Zoom app? Okay, so beta, you restart your Zoom application, leave the meeting and put the password and ID again and then join the class. Okay, so I hope it will work. But I am not sure, Hridyansh, from which date UT one will be start, right? So Asta, I have done again also. So beta, it may be network problem, I think. Now student, we are starting our class and we will talk about these some topics which I have written on the board. So the first thing is that about the Indian place value chart. Student, first of all, we will learn that what is the period of Indian place value chart. Student, this is the period and place value charts. First stand for ones, right? This is ones, and then thousand and lakh. Some students wanted to ask me question, beta, you can ask me. You can ask me question, beta. I'm starting my chat box. You can ask me. How many students are doubt? Ask me any question. Okay, so student, we are starting. First of all, we will solve some question from the Indian place value chart. So one more thing, beta, if someone is new here, is any student new here? Yes, Fatima, I have taken it. I will take attendance. Your attendance are saved and they will be marked in your school attendance register. Okay, I think no student is new here. Okay. So student, we are starting. And first of all, as you know that in Indian place value chart, we find ones, tens, and hundreds. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. These are the three numbers. And afterward, we mark a comma here after 3 digits, right? Then the 2 digits come from 1000. First is 1000 and second is 10,000. Next will be lakh and next will be 10 lakh. Then crore and 10 crore. So it was very congested. I'm writing again. Ones, tens, hundreds. After 3 digit, we find 1000 and 10,000. Afterward, lakh and 10 lakh. After this, crore and 10 crore. So basically, this is the place value chart, okay, in Indian place value, right? This is the Indian place value chart. And we solve all the question in this way. So student, you have to remember in Indian place value chart, we find 3 digits and after 3 digits we mark a comma, then 2 digits. After 2 digits we mark a comma, then after 2 digits and we mark comma, and after 2 digits. These 2 digits comes from crore, these 2 digits from lakh, these 2 digits from 1000, and these 3 digits from ones. So these parts are called periods. Ones is the first period, 1000 is the second period, lakh is the third period, and crore is the fourth period. So these are periods, and these are place values. I hope that you got it. Now, students, we are going forward, and we will start to write the numbers in words. The question is write in words. So this is the number which we are going to write in words. Now student, we have to rewrite the number, right? For example, this is the number, and now we will rewrite this number on the board. 2456 7854. This is the number. Because we are going to write this number in Indian place value chart. So what to do? We will count the 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and then after we will mark a comma. Then after 2 digits, we will mark a comma. Then after 2 digits, we will mark a comma. So first 3 digits comes in the ones period. And after 2 digits comes in thousands. After 2 digits come in lakh, and the last one comes in crore. Now student, as you know that the crore has single digits and lakh had dual digits. So first will be lakh and second will be 10 lakh. Thousands, first digit will be 1000 and second will be 10,000. In ones we have this ones, tens and hundreds. So always we will read this number together, tens and ones. Now we are going to write the name of this number. Student, this is 2 and how, which is 2 crore. It is clearly mentioned here that 2 is crore. So we will write 2 crore. Next is 45. And what is 45? 45 is lakh. Then we will write 45 lakh. 45 lakh. The next thing is 1000. This is 67,000. 67,000. Next is 800. So right here 800. Right. And 54. This is 54. And write 54. So student, in this way we can write any number in words. I hope you got it. Now we are going to solve another question. The another question is that write in figure. Next question is that write in figure. So I'm writing 3 questions here because writing in figure is more difficult in comparison of writing in words. So I'm writing 5 crore 76 lakh 43,968. The first number is that we will try to make it clear for you. Okay. The second question is that 5 crore 60,980. And the last is 26 lakh 14,000. $208. This is our third question, right? Some student want to ask me a question. Fatima Zahra sir. Okay, beta, you are replying very good. Sir, my screen is not coming. Barira Rais. Beta Barira, I hope that it will be your problem, I think, of internet connection. Check your internet connection. Put your mobile on flight mode and restart your data. Then I think it will help you to join again. So today we will discuss about Indian place value chart, the parts of their work of regular class doing rough notebook. Beta, no need to do this work in notebook. The homework which I will send you, you will have to do that in a rough notebook, not in fair, okay? Now student, I am going to tell you that how to write the number in figure. First of all, we should know that the written number, this is 5 crore. First block is for crore. Second block is 76 lakh. So this block is of lakh. 43,000. This block is of thousands. And remaining part is 968. So students, now make the place value chart here first. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. Now mark a comma here and 2 digits from 1000. Mark a comma again, these 2 digits from the lakh, again these 2 digits from crore. So first of all, you should know that how many crores are here. So 5 crores are here, right? This is 5 crore. So write 5 here, only 5, this will be 0. So this is 5 crore, right? Now write 76 lakhs. So in place of lakh, you will have to write 76. Now we have written here. Now the turn is for 1000, 43,000. Now write 43 here. And the last thing is 968. So in place of 100, write 900 and 68 and write 68. So the asked question was about 5 crore 76 lakh 43,968. So student, in this way we can write any number in figure. Now we are going to write the next number, which is 5 crore 60,980. So student, again you will have to make the place value chart, ones, tens and hundreds. After it, make a comma, mark 2 places for 1000, mark comma in 2 places for lakh, mark a comma and 2 places for crore. Now you will have to write the given number. So in place of crore, you will write 5 because it is 5 crore. So here you will write 5 crore. Now 60,000. So you can see that the place of lakh is not filled. The question did not ask about the lakh. That's why we are writing 0 here, because here is no lakh. So in place of 1000 we will write 60. So place of 1000 we will write 60. And 900. So in place of 100 we will write 9 and 80. So right here 80. So the given number is 5 crore 60,980. So most of the student, when they try to write the number, they skip these two zeros. And now we are going to solve the last question. 26,40,14,208. Now students, we will make a place value chart again. This is ones, tens and hundreds. Mark comma and mark 2 digits here, which is from 1000. Mark comma and mark 2 digits from lakh, and then again 2 from crore. So student, now we will write 26 lakh. So you can see that there is no crore, so we don't need to write crore, right? So only as 26 lakhs are given. So in place of lakh, we will write 26 lakh, right? This is 26 lakh. Now we will write 14,000. So in place of 1000, we will write 14. Okay? And 208. So how many 100 here? Here are 200s. And in the last, we will write 8. So no tens here, that's why we are making 0 here. So the first number was 26 lakh 14,208. So in this way, we can write any number in figure. Now student, be ready for the attendance. We are going to take your attendance. So now students, we have solved this question. We have talked about the place value, right? Now we will start to talk about the face value and place value, right? First and most important thing is that you will get recorded videos of our classes in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you can access those videos anytime. Okay, so you can access those videos anytime, anywhere. Okay, if you missed any class, you can get that class in our WhatsApp group. Now we are talking about the face value and place value. and place value. So students, the first thing is that we will get a number and somebody will ask you that what is the face value and place value of this two. So I would like to tell you first thing is that when you are talking about the face value. So student, face value is the value of a number, and how you will tell that a face value of a number is the same as the number look. It means how 2 looks. 2 looks like 2. How 1 looks. 1 looks like 1. Okay. So in a number, we can find many digits. And each digit shows their face values, right? So if I am talking about the face value of 6, so face value of 6 is 6, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 1 is 1, and face value of 2 is 2, face value of 3 is. So when we are asking about the face value of number, then indirectly we are asking that how the number looks, right? So when somebody asks you that what is the face value of a number, then tell him how the number looks like. If someone is asking what is the face value of this 4, so how 4 looks? 4 looks like 4. So 4 is the face value of 4, right? And the topic of place value is different, right? So now I am going to tell you that how will you tell the face value, but I have some question, I think. Okay, no, students was sending me the answers. Now students, I'm talking about the place value. In a given number, we will have to tell the place value, right? So as you know that we will write the place value chart here. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand, this is 10,000. If someone is asking you that what is the place value of 2. Now student, as you know that 2 stands for 100 place. So 2 stands for 100 place. That's why we are multiplying this 2 by hundreds, right? And 2 into 100 will be 200. So this is the place value of 2, right? And if someone is asking about the face value, so 2 is the face value of 2, right? Next number. If someone is asking you that what is the place value of this 4, so the 4 stands on 10,000 place. The 4 stands on 10,000 place. That's why we are multiplying this number by 10,000. And when we will multiply this 4 by 10,000, then we will get answer in 40,000. So this is the place value of 4. This is the place value of 4. And if someone is asking about the face value, then 4 is the face value. I hope that you got it. And now students, I will show you the next question. And you will get all the revision class in your WhatsApp. Now student, I'm talking about a very important topic, which is expanded form. Right? Now we are discussing about the expanded form, right? So students, You will get the question like this in your notebook that write this number in expanded form. So writing a number in expanded form is very easy. You should know the face value and place value of each number, right? First of all, we will know that what is the place value of this one. So 1 stands on ones place. That's why the place value of this number is 1, right? This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh. So now 7 stands on tens. That's why the place value of this number is 70. Now the place value of 3. So 3 stands on hundreds. That's why the place value of this 3 is 300. The next thing is that 6. So 6 stands on 1000. That's why we are multiplying this number by 1000. And the place value will be 6000. The next number is 7 and 7 stands on 10,000. That's why we are multiplying this number and the place value of 7 is 70,000. And the last number is 2. 2 it stands on lakh place. So we will multiply 2 by 1 lakh. So the place value of lakh is 2 lakh. Right? Now student, we will write the place value of each number and we will add them. This form is called expanded form. First of all, we will write the place value of this 2. The place value of this 2 is 2 lakh. Right? Then we will write the place value of this number, which is 70,000. Next, we will write the place value and add 6, which is 1000, 6,000. Then we will write the place value of this number, which is 300. And then 70. 7's place value is 70 and 1. Student, this is the expanded form of this number. So when you are going to write the expanded form of any number, then basically you are going to find the place value of each digits and then you will add all those digits. So guys, I hope that you got it, and we have covered all the topics which I told you in the beginning of the class that what we will learn. So in today's module, we learned about the Indian place value chart. Okay. The next thing which we learned, the next thing was writing in words, writing in figure, and place value chart, place value, phase value. In the last, we learned about the expanded form. I hope student you got it. And sir, our UT1 will be online. I don't know, Astha, but be sure that the UT1 will be online, I think. Okay. UT1 will be online and most of the question will be asked from the outside portion. We will not ask the question which we solved because due to security reason, we have to ask the question out of book. So all the question which I will ask you in the test will be from out of your syllabus.